In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Xiaomi account, also known as a MI account. This account will give you access to all the amazing features Xiaomi has to offer, from cloud stories to MIUI services. Let's get started. First, let's quickly discuss why you should create a Xiaomi account. With the MI account, you can sync your contacts and photos across devices, access MI cloud services, download themes, apps, and update from the MI store. Enjoy a more personalized experience on your Xiaomi device. Now, let's dive into the steps to create your account. Unlock your Xiaomi device and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on MI account. If you don't see this option, you can also find it under Accounts or User and Accounts. You'll see an option to create account. Tap on it to start the registration process. Choose your country code and enter your mobile number. Tap Next to receive a verification code. Check your SMS for the verification code. Enter it in the app and then tap Next. Next, you'll need to enter your details. Enter your first name and last name. Create a strong password for your account. Provide your date of birth for security purposes. Make sure to read and accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you've filled in all the information, tap Sign Up. Your MI account will be created. You may be prompted to set up MI Cloud. You can choose to enable or skip this step for now. And that's it, you've successfully created your Xiaomi Mi account. Now you can enjoy all the features that come with it.